Welcome to Denver in Colorado, and today we're gonna review this beautiful Grand Hyatt. Let's see what we're gonna have here in this beautiful winter city.
And today we're staying in an executive suite, and depending on the day it will cost you anywhere from $200 to $400 per night.
Worth it? Let's check! We are staying at one bedroom suite, approximately 800 square feet, and here we are in living room. It's a large and beautiful. You have this pull-out couch with TV. By the way, the TV is so big, I love it, and we have this premium sound music with some puffer, so it's really cool about this living room. Also we have this dining table and like coffee station with a fridge. So here is the master bedroom, and in the master bedroom we have one king bed, we have work desk, we have TV, we have this TV chair, and we have buffalo art, and I love this art.
Denver is one of the fastest growing cities in the United States, with some major fintech companies here. They have also set up like a tech area where you have lots of new startups. But the most important part of Denver is, of course, it's a gateway to Aspen. So every time you want to go to have a great vacation with skiing or snowboarding, probably you're coming to Denver first, and it's a great place just to make like at least like one night stopover before you go to Aspen and explore the city, eat some delicious food in local restaurants, and have fun before you go skiing.
And here it's a bathroom. Unfortunately, this bathroom is very small and tiny. We don't have here any bathtub, but we have luxury amenities. Ballman! And here is the closet. It's pretty small, but we have everything here. We have slippers, we have bathroom, we have this shoe case, umbrella. So it's cool closet with iron and iron desk.
This hotel is right in the very central area of the downtown, so we have convention center and also trendy areas with like shops and restaurants around, so pretty much we don't need a car here and we can just go outside and walk around. And here what's cool about it, that the hotel itself, it's like grand, yeah, so it's very big. It has its own convention center, and also they have pretty cool common ground, so they have a pool, a gym, and even some tennis courts on the rooftop, which looks amazing.
So let's talk about new technology. What do we have in this business hotel? First of all, we have this high-speed internet, we have 2 plugs, USB charger, and my favorite part, it's an automatic shears control. So, and here next to your bed we have iPhone station with USB, with radio, with like alarm, and also we have plugs for your phone. You can open the window, and oh my gosh, it's so cold outside, and we have amazing view.
And now let's go and explore the common grounds.
The gym is really cool here, and I love this running track on the roof and tennis court. And now let's check the dusty places. So my first impression, everything here is fresh and clean. But let's start from this couch.
Oh, it's actually pull-out sofa.
Yeah, here is clean. Yeah, here is clean, but let's move. Oh my gosh, it's so heavy. actually it's not too bad. It's no change, no bread, no chips, so just dust. Not bad, but no food. And now let's check this kitchen island. Usually kitchen a little bit dirty, but we have some lid and some like pepper, you see? Dirty place. And now let's check this art. Oh my gosh, look at this, it's crystal clean. Wow. And let's check another one. And here is clean. Respect to housekeeping. And now let's check TV. And the TV is clean. So I know probably this TV chair is super dirty.
Why?
I don't know. I feel it. Oh no. Everything is clean here. Hey Buffalo, are you clean? Let's check. And Buffalo is clean. So the bedroom is clean, but let's go and check the yellow stain. The mattress is clean. It's like a brand new mattress. Wow. So this hotel is super clean.
And now a little bit behind the scenes. So actually there is one more reason why we are in Denver tonight, but that's a secret. So it was his birthday last month, but since we were in Colombia, I couldn't give what I wanted to, because usually I give experiences, like once he was flying in a small biplane with, I think, a little bit like drunk pilot, who did different kind of crazy stunts with him. Then I gave like something like a NASCAR driving, and this time I want to give a very special experience. For tomorrow we have some tickets for Andrea Bocelli, but that's a secret. And you know what's funny? He's listening to Andrea Bocelli right now behind the door, and he doesn't know anything about my surprise tomorrow.
So where do you think we're going?
We're heading to the restaurant, probably.
What kind of restaurant?
I don't know.
You don't know?
I don't know.
Check your phone. You've got a message.
So we're heading to Andrea Bocelli. Oh my gosh! Wow, no way!
Yeah.
Really? Besame mucho.
Are you
I just like
excited?
yesterday listened his sounds.
Yeah. So are you excited?
Yeah.
Today, I also will play guitar, not for a girl, but for a little girl. The girl is my daughter, Virginia, okay? Virginia. Virginia, are you ready?
Born ready.
You liar.
I'm not a liar.
You liar. You lying to me. But it's a good surprise. This is the only concert I wanna go.
Yeah.
Good morning, guys. Now we're heading for the breakfast and let's check what kind of food do we have for this morning. Cheers! So overall, I love this day. It's probably perfect for business purposes hotel, and I love my surprise because the Andrea Bocelli is amazing.
And of course, this can be your perfect first stop on the way to Aspen. And so from here, we always have two favorite destinations for skiing and snowboarding and all the winter has to offer. And that would be Aspen and Vail. We prefer Vail because it's more private and luxury, but that's just like our personal opinion. Comment below what's your favorite destination, Aspen, Vail.
So subscribe to our channel and see you next video. Bye bye.